This is the Joulle Portable Electric Kettle by Stoke Voltaics. So let's open this guy up and see what's in the box. Here it is. Looks a lot like a jet boil system, but this is fully electric instead of using a fuel source. And it's got a nice top here. On the inside, we've got the power cable and Stoke Voltaics sticker, and then a user's manual. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. This electric kettle is going to be a nice alternative to having, one of my other portable camping stoves that takes a fuel source. So if you don't want to worry about carrying fuel sources, you can try this out as long as you do have a power source, to be able to plug this in. But if you're car camping, I know I usually bring like a Jackery portable battery with me. So it's easy to plug this in. Also, this is great for traveling. If you're staying in a hotel room and you don't want to use the very hard used kettle that's in your hotel room, this would be a nice thing to bring along. It's easy to pack. Or if you have a trailer or RV, this would be perfect for that. So just starting with the lid, it's nice. It has a little handle here, hold it with. You have a pouring option plus a filtering option, and it is made of plastic, but it can withstand quite a bit of heat so it doesn't melt. It's pretty cool. This top hole is for if you have a stirring rod, like if you're making popcorn, you can stir it with that. There are three modes on this electric kettle. You have drink, eat, and pop, and you can just switch between the three. I love the pop feature because I crave popcorn when I'm out camping for some reason. So that's something pretty cool that I don't think my other portable gas stoves can do. It's a one-touch operation here with this button after you just choose the selection here. And then on the back side, of course, that's where your power cord goes into. Just right in there. One of my favorite features about this electric kettle is the aircraft grade steel inner cup. It feels really sturdy, easy to clean. Of course, it has the graduated measurements on the inside, just like you'd expect. I also like this exterior heat-proof sleeve. Looks quite a bit like the jet boil, and of course has the handle here. Comes in handy. All in all, it feels really durable, and I just like the idea of not having a fuel canister that you have to connect below. And I don't know about you, but when I go camping, I'm never quite sure how much fuel is left in each of my fuel canisters, so I always end up bringing more than I need. So with this, it's nice and clean. There's no open flame. Okay, so I just have this set to drink mode. Just want to boil some water and can cook some freeze-dried food, what I typically eat camping. So just going to plug this guy in, and boom, just one touch and it's going. Okay, so I've got the water boiling. That took just about 5 minutes, and so I'm going to shut that off, and it's pretty cool. It does have an auto shut off feature, which I think could really come in handy, especially like with when you're cooking popcorn. That's a nice feature to have. So cleaning this out has been a breeze. All it takes is just putting a little water in there and scrubbing around, but it cleans up pretty easily with this stainless steel. Of course, you don't want to get this bottom area wet, but as long as you keep the water up here, you're fine. So now I'd like to switch it to the popcorn mode and try popcorn. Okay. Okay, so now that I've got the popcorn, it's awesome. Just poured a little oil in the bottom and some kernels, and boom, got popcorn for camping. I love it. So this whole device costs $99. They do have some sales going on where you can get it 20% off, but I totally think it's worth it. Just love how this was designed for convenience with the one button start and the 3 different modes. It's definitely a plug and play type of device. It's a great alternative to the gas or butane camping stoves that people traditionally go out with. This is a lot cleaner in my opinion, and it's kind of nice not to have the open flame, especially with kids running around the campsite. All in all, I love it. Thanks for watching.